Hello everyone and welcome to Ridorna Designs. I'm your host, Ridik Okwemba. Today we're going to start on CAD modeling and my software of choice is Solidworks. So we're going to model a relatively simple part and I hope that you will join me till the end. So without any further ado, let's head over to Solidworks and start modeling. So we're going to go to File in the top left and then start a new file. I'm going to select part on the part template, click on OK. So I'd like to bring your attention the left side where we have the planes. So we have the front plane, the top plane, the right plane. I'd like you to think of planes as pieces of paper on which you're going to draw our sketches on from where we're going to now develop 3D features from. So for the purposes of this tutorial, we're going to start on the top plane. So there are several ways on which you can start a sketch. So I'll show you one. Today we'll start with click on the sketch tab, and then it's going to prompt you to select a plane. So select the top plane, and right here in the graphics area, this is called the graphics area, we're going to see two intersecting arrows. So this is called the origin point. That's the 0 point from where you can begin your sketch. So that defines your 0 point in space. We're going to head over to the center rectangle, select it, and then go to the origin point until this yellow icon appears. So that shows a coincident relationship. We'll talk more about coincidence and other types of relationship as we move forward. So click and then drag and then click again. Let's select the close dialog mark to accept our sketch. So now we have our sketch. It's a rectangle, but it has no dimensions. So in order for us to define it, we go over to Smart Dimension, select Smart Dimension, and then click on one side, and then drag, and then click again. So we're going to type 50 millimeters, and then do the same for the other side, and then it's going to be 50 millimeters again. Yeah, so with that we've finished our sketch. So just select OK to close the dialog, and then we can exit sketch. So we need to give our sketch some volume. In order for us to do that, let's head over to the Features tab, and then we're going to select the Extruded Ball Space. And just like that, you can see that it has already given us some volume, but we want the volume to be 30 millimeters. So let's just start typing 30 millimeters. It's going to update like so. And when we accept, we have our cuboid. So this is a cuboid, but it is of very little use to us. So I'd like to bring your attention to this command called the shell command. So we're going to give it some use. So let's select the shell command, and then let's change the dimension here, the parameters, to 2 millimeters, and then click the show preview icon right here, checkbox. And so let's select the top face and then click OK. Yeah, and now we have a container. So this is something that is useful. You can print it, 3D print it, and then you can use it as a container to hold your coins, your rubber, whatever. So right here we have a very useful thing that you can begin to print it, but I'd like to do some more modifications on it in the subsequent videos. So in the next video, we're going to give it some little bit of aesthetics as we move forward. So join me in my next video, and like and subscribe to our channel for the coming videos. Until next time, cheers.